We handle a wide variety of injury cases. We handle automobile accidents, motorcycle accidents, trucking accidents, bicycle accidents, pedestrian versus automobile accidents. We also handle slip and fall cases, trip and fall cases. We handle negligent security cases, which is what happens when you go to a store or business that knows that it has a history of criminal activity or problems and hasn't hired enough security to make the place safe for you. We handle cases involving defective products. We handle cases involving dog bites or attacks by dogs. We also handle cases between people and their own insurance companies when their insurance company won't pay a claim or won't do the right thing. In addition, we handle the victims of sexual abuse. We are proud to have represented many children in the Central Florida area who have been victimized in settings such as a daycare or in a mentoring program. These are the kind of cases that we handle, and we're happy to meet with anyone in our offices to talk about these matters.